Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching how I can successfully bypass the high Ethereum gas fee and buy Saitama token. All you have to do is to stick with me till the end of this video. By the end of this video, you will learn how you can successfully buy the Saitama token without paying any gas fee. Before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, do hit the red subscribe button, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. We highly appreciate it. Okay, the exchange I will be using to buy this Saitama token is the Lbank. So if you don't have this Lbank on your phone, just move on to your Play Store or your App Store and download the Lbank app. As you can see, this is the Lbank, so you just move here and download it. Okay guys, before we proceed to buying the Saitama token now, you have to deposit your coins to this exchanger. So in order to deposit, you just click on your wallet. If you click on wallet, if you look very well, you see deposit, you see withdraw and transfer. So but we're interested in the deposit, so just click on deposit in order to deposit coins. Okay, so we're about to deposit, let's say USDT. We want to deposit USDT, so we'll be buying with USDT. Okay, so we'll deposit USDT, and you will see that my address comes up. So I'll have to copy this address and paste it to any place I want to send the coin from, either from my Trust wallet or from my Binance account, and I'll send it here. Then my account is funded already. If you look very well, you see I have about $6.74. So I have about $6.74 here, so I'll be using it to buy the Saitama token. Okay, so I want to buy it now. Just click on trade. If you look very well, you see trade here, so click on trade. Okay, you will see two candlesticks right here at the top right corner, so you just click on it, and you see the chart for Saitama. So you see this is Saitama versus USDT, and it is trading at this volume. So it's trading at this volume. Okay, so we want to buy it now. If you look down my screen, you see buy. This is buy here, and this is sell. Okay, so we want to buy, so click on buy, and a fresh new page pops up. Okay, you can see the volume at which it's trading, and if you want to buy with all your money, so you just have to push this, till 100%. You can see that I'm using the whole of my money. This is $6.73, so I'm using the whole of this money to buy Saitama tokens. I'll just click on buy. This is buy. I'll just click on it. As you can see, it's successful. I successfully bought the Saitama token. For me to be sure that I bought this token, I'll just have to check my wallet. I'll just click on wallet and check very well. I will refresh and see that yes, I still have my Saitama token. This is my Saitama token. You guys, so this is how you can successfully accumulate this Saitama token. It's recently doing well, and it's a very nice project. You guys, hope this video was very helpful and hope you guys enjoyed it. All you can do for us is to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, to get beautiful updates like this. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and see you in my very next video.